back with another one. Jazzworx and Thukuthela, they have another song, a hit one this time. Every time they abuse us. I don't know, these guys, they should wait December to drop their songs, because now Swangamaphara, so I broke more. Imagine I only have 50 rand. But let's hear their song, by the way. Let's hear their song, their new song. I hope you're going to, or they still coming. Why wengane lahlana? I think bathi ungayibhadali rent, then uchoose i-groove, but zolala phandle wedwa. But angcolile amashit, I can see. Hope you go and stream the song, because I'm giving you the latest ones. Maybe it's your first time to see this. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more reactions.